Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2020. Taking a look at our homework in math. We have a units retake on Friday. Hopefully we've been studying and we can pass this. If you were resent the diagnostic test in MobyMax, you do need to finish and complete that. In regular math, we've got practice 7.5, and in honors math, practice 7.6. Please make sure you are using your math journals and you're looking at all examples. In science, this is one change, especially if you were in first period science. There is no homework. I know when we finished first period today, homework was assigned, but since then, Ms. Falk made the decision to eliminate it. In social studies, we need to study for our Egypt test. That test is tomorrow. Language arts, we've got journal number 10 for the Watsons Go to Birmingham. We did have time to start that in class today. In literature, we've got our chapter 8 work due tomorrow. You had 25 minutes in class today to work on that. Most people were able to get that done. And then for honors, you need to have your book completed and your chapter 8 work completed, as well as your strongly agree and strongly disagree statements. One thing moving forward, guys, is remember, please do not use the excuse when you don't have your homework done that you forgot. If you forgot, that simply means you are not writing anything down throughout the day in your agenda, you are not checking out the homework chart, and you are not watching these videos. Saying I forgot, that is an excuse, and we need to come up with something better. That's going to be it for this Wednesday. We'll see everybody tomorrow.